Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. New Richmond is a town located on the south shore of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec, along the shores of Chaleur Bay. It is part of the Bonaventure region and serves as an important service center for the surrounding communities. New Richmond has a population of about 3,700 people and is known for its mix of natural landscapes, outdoor activities, and long history connected to forestry, fishing, and settlement. The town was founded in the 19th century and has a unique history influenced by both French and English-speaking settlers. New Richmond was first developed by Loyalists and Scottish immigrants who arrived in the region after the American Revolution. Over time, French-speaking families also became a major part of the community, creating the bilingual cultural character that still exists today. The name New Richmond reflects the community's British heritage, as many early settlers came from areas connected to Scotland and England. The town grew through industries based on the natural resources of the region. Timber, agriculture, and fishing helped support the early economy, and the location along Chaleur Bay made it an important center for trade and transportation. Forestry remains one of the major industries in the region, with many residents working in logging, wood processing, and related services. New Richmond has also played a role in the history of transportation and communication in the Gaspé Peninsula. The arrival of rail service in the late 19th century helped connect the region with other parts of Quebec and encouraged economic growth. Over the decades, the town adapted as industries changed, moving from a resource-based economy toward a broader mix of services and tourism. Housing in New Richmond is generally more affordable than in larger Quebec cities. Average home prices vary depending on the neighborhood, property size, and condition, but homes in the area are often found in the range of about $200,000 to $300,000. The lower cost of housing, combined with access to nature and local services, has attracted retirees and people looking for a smaller community lifestyle. Today, New Richmond represents the blend of cultures, industries, and landscapes that define the Gaspé Peninsula. Its history is shaped by fishing families, forestry workers, farmers, and settlers who built a community around the resources of the region. With its location on Chaleur Bay and its connection to the surrounding wilderness, New Richmond remains an important and welcoming community in eastern Quebec. Thanks for watching!